Walking shit. Fuck. Fuck. Nothing's mga bagay-bagay parang walking shit. Minsan, we just be consumed by anything in this life. A continuous stimulation, sometimes good, sometimes bad. I don't know. I don't know what to feel. I'm confused with this feeling. And sometimes finding way to satisfy our needs, satisfy ourself, our mind, to be very comfortable with our life. But even is feel na nagawa na natin lahat ng bagay na kailangan natin gawin, and then still feels nothing, empty or crazy or agonizing, insane in your mind. I don't know. Sometimes I'm calm, peace, but there's a side full of agony, full of problems, full of fears, and full of shitty things on life and boredomness in life. But I'm not supposed to sabotage myself. Supposed to calm down and to change and live off my mind. That's the right way, right? But sometimes you just choosing na to don't care, to don't react with these feelings. You feel like being nonchalant to your very own emotions, and you're tired giving care with what's happening around you, but you still dissatisfied, want something to help you. It's like you need consistency with satisfaction, consistency with, it's like a water. We drink water. So, regular nating pangangailangan yun. When regular nating pangangailangan yung mga bagay, regular natin kailangan yung mga satisfaction, yung emotion na gusto nating maramdaman. It's still burdened with, with negative emotion then, and problematic corruption about life. And, you know, you just keep going, try to wear a mask, try to appear good, appear happy, appear whatever emotion you want to know to dominate with. But doesn't mean you're actually good, you're actually fine, your mental being are actually fully functioning and better. Sometimes that is your mind is being chaotic. So yun, I stopped feeling anything with this freaking living. And stuff giving care with what feeling I feeling. So yeah, this is me now. This is what I am now. So hope you help me or just go somewhere or whatever kung wala naman kayo na-expect na maging reaction nyo. Basta ito lang talaga. Dinocument ko lang yung kung anong itsura ng buhay ko ngayon. So yun lang, bye.